Hello, this is the Shimano Deore XT M735. It's the last version within the first XT group. The notable difference is the adjuster nut on the inside of the derailleur right here with that screw there to adjust the tension of the spring. So we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. I'm gonna rebuild it, clean it, etc. So let's get started. So we're gonna undo the small bolts first, like so. Undo the jockey wheels with a 4mm Allen key wrench. Interesting, it's not coming out the hanger bolt. So we're going to proceed on to the next part, which is here. Phillips screw right here, you need to undo again to release the cage plate. Coming off. Okay, just this part to undo now. I don't know why it's stuck. Using one of my favourite bike tools, I managed to get it out. It's just basically very rusty, never been removed. And I think that's everything. Off to cleaning. Pop this in, soapy water, couple of hours. Bish bash bosh, the job's done. We need to just put everything now together. I'm gonna grease the springs, jockey wheels, and the parts that need greasing as well, such as here. Circlips. Easy fix. Unfortunately, as with age, some parts are starting to fail on this derailleur because it's probably not been taken care of at all its whole life. But hopefully I'll give it a few more years. Thank you for listening. Peace out.